وإنه بمناسبة ذكرى استقلال بلادنا الأردنية وإعلانها دولة مستقلة استقلالا تاما.
With the break of every rising dawn, a new chapter is set to unfold. In a tale that's 100 years old. A tale of a journey, a quest against the test of time, a captivating tale of a magical land that embraces the world with open arms. Sets its imagination free, inspires stories never told before, stories of heroes that outlasted the years of pages, recounting the story of man unfolding a legacy, half as old as time, bearing witness to all that has been. Promising of adventures that are yet to be. Bewildering with astounding discoveries. Every seeker in life and fiction alike, as they surrender their eyes to the breathtaking beauty and their ears to the captivating whispers, echoing through our hearts from a cherished past that made us into a future. We harvest peace on this land. For this land was the cradle of peace since the dawn of time. Never ceasing to guide our souls, never ceasing to spark awe and wonder, every time like a first time. And for every journey we embark on, the destination is but a beginning of a new quest that awaits us, of worlds we've never seen before, worlds where time stands still, and others that against time still stand, attesting to a glorious past, kindling a vigorous present. Every day of which is infused with sense of a yesterday, is breathing life into the spirits of tomorrow. For every new day is but a promise of a new dream, a vision of hope revived. One generation after another, where we inspire the world and challenge the impossible, drawing upon a glorious heritage, sculpting the pillars of the future, painting our skies with colors of joy and pride, as we pursue another break of dawn in a journey that's 100 years old.